Do you want to create game environments that look like this? Have you tried to create a game environment before, only to realize that it doesn't look good, and the worst part is you don't even know why? My name is Mao and I've worked in the game industry for over a decade, both in indie and AAA projects making environments, and I want to share with you the secrets I learned over those years. A lot of people who I've coached during the years, they usually have the same struggle. And that is, I'm using the same tools as you. I'm using Megascans, I'm using Unreal, I'm using all these fancy tools. And yet, why my environment doesn't look good? Why my environment doesn't look like yours? This is where I teach them things that have nothing to do with Unreal Engine 5 or Nanite, and they discover a whole new world. And suddenly, they can just create better environments using the same tools. However, my coaching sessions are not cheap, and it's really hard to book a time for each person. This is why I created a new community to learn world building in Unreal Engine 5, where I will be doing weekly live streams to review your work, give you feedback, and take your work to the next level. I will also be streaming different topics related to new tools that are coming to Unreal Engine 5, like procedural stuff, vegetation, destruction, all of those stuff that are being updated very frequently, and I will be giving you a very good overview on how to use the tools in the latest version. And also I will be touching other important topics like art theory, composition, color theory, and a lot of important stuff that are hidden behind the scenes that nobody talks about, but they are really important to take your work to the next level. You will also be having access to all my paid environment art courses for free, so that you can learn at your own pace, and also share your work in the community so you can get direct feedback from me or other people. So if your goal is to land a job in a AAA studio for making environments, or just simply take your personal work to the next level, or any kind of project you're working on, you can join for free today, try it, and see if the community is for you. With that said, I'm really excited about this community. I hope you can be there and be part of it. And I promise you, if you put in the work, I will make sure that your craft will improve drastically during your time here.